Ndewono. Welcome to my Igbo lesson class. At the end of this class, you will learn how to count numbers in Igbo. You know, Igbo, we like counting because money is involved, you know. So at the end of the class, you will learn how to count numbers in Igbo. Let's start. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, iteghete, iri. That's 1 to 10. 11 is iri na otu. The best and the easiest way to learn how to count numbers in Igbo is to first of all learn how to count 1 to 10, because every other thing you will count in number must in one way or the other have connect with 1 to 10. This 11 is 10 is iri, 11 is iri na otu. Na in Igbo means and. Na is and. That is 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, that is 12. Iri na otu. Iri na abụọ, that is 12. Iri na atọ. If you learn 1 to 10, it will be easier for you. Iri na anọ, 14. Iri na ise. Iri na isii. Iri na asaa. Iri na asatọ. Iri na iteghete. Then 20 is how many tens? 2. That is 10 in 2 places. That is what makes up 20. 10 into 2. That is what makes up 20. In that case, you call it iri abụọ. Iri abụọ. Know the difference between 10 and 12. 12 is 10 and 2. That is iri na abụọ. While 20 is 10 in 2 different places. That is iri abụọ. If it's 30, it's iri atọ. 40, iri anọ. It continues like that till it gets to 90. Iri ise, iri isii, iri asaa, iri asatọ, iri iteghete. That is 90. It has in one way or the other connected to 1 to 10. We will continue again.